What's up, beautiful ladies, gentlemen? Hi, don't peace and love. It's Chris Chris. Don't panic, your number, Belachi Buzo Bobo, reporting live from Classic and TV. Hi, I do my people, peace and love. And think I'm getting me, I can know you can Africa now. Sendo milindo as a bubble look over and case you have an and I got a kitchen, a chara, we're going to go to Narisi care. But I boy and boy, we're not for. Where can boy and bath from Banco? Where can boy and wife from Uncle? More mad on your bonus and I can ask Angelana Selumili, Makana Yadafant. We're going to go to Narisi Kainayo, Niru Gaganaga, you say, Udunan Dundinkem. Yo, my people, you're welcome to the Naked Truth Talk Show. And today, what I want to talk about is the true meaning of Ekwensu. You have to understand that Alumeli Igbo has been demonized. Our ancestors, our great ancestors has been demonized. Alumeli Kenga. All because of Umo Balofua. You don't understand the true meaning of what you are saying. You don't understand the true meaning of words. You misinterpret them to mean what they don't mean. These Westerners that brought this foreign religion to us, they misinterpreted a lot of things, confusion. Because this their Western religion is nothing but confusion upon confusion. Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu is not devil. In Igbo cosmology, in Igbo traditional religion, in Igbo spirituality, there is no such thing as devil. That being with two horns, with a tail, you will never get to see that thing in your life. That thing only exists in your imagination. Devil only exists, that Satan, it only exists in your imagination. Everything that you think that being called Satan or devil does is being done by human beings that look like me and you. That so-called white man that told you, that gave you his picture, his image to worship is the devil. There is no such thing as devil in Igbo religion, because devil, even the English you speak, you don't understand the meaning of what you are saying. Devil means the evil within a person. Every man and woman, every creature has a positive and a negative energy inside of them. And sometimes positive don't mean good. And sometimes negative don't mean bad as well. That's the duality that exists within you. Good and bad. Right and left. That's the duality that exists within you. You get to choose whether to become a god or a devil. You get to choose whether to do good or bad. But people like to blame their shortcomings and their evil doings on one imaginary evil creature that exists somewhere. If a man or a woman does bad and you say, why did you do this? You say, na devil make me do am. Ekwensu. You are the devil that did that stuff. If you commit any crime now, if you commit a crime and the government gets a hold of you, you will not tell them that devil made you plan a bank robbery. They will jail you. The government will jail you if you try to rob a bank and you get caught. They say, no devil, no Ekwensu melo, ki izu oshi, mo ki ime ihe na kwesiri ime, mo ki imebie ihe mmadu. They say, no devil, no Ekwensu melo. You are the devil they are seeing. You are the devil. You are the evil. The evil within you. The devil cannot do anything on its own without human being. That is to tell you that human being is the devil. That energy is inside of you. You have that evil inside of you. Every man can do evil. Every woman can do evil. Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu is the IGBO god of war. Ekwensu. 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 Mana gị ga-anụ ọgụ kịta m ga-eme gị ngwa ka anyị tụ n'aka osu anyị anụba ọgụ osu ekwetego m na anyị ga-anụ dị ọgụ ikwete na anyị ga-anụ dị ọgụ iti m n'aka o ekwegonu m anyị ekwego ka anyị nụwa dị ọgụ osugo. Ekwensu is the IGBO god of war. Ekwensu is not the devil. Ekwensu ikwe osu ikwera osu ikwera omansu. That is to tell you that energy or that evil that would exist within you cannot perform without your permission. So if the Ekwensu cannot do anything on its own without human being, that is to tell you that human being is the devil. You are the one who did that stuff. You are just looking for an excuse, or you're just trying to blame your shortcomings or your evil doings on something else that we are not seeing. When you commit a crime, you are the one. If you commit a crime now, the government will hold you responsible. They will not. That all this nonsense only exists in religion. It doesn't exist in reality. It doesn't. Wake up to reality. Wake up. You are the devil. Devil means the evil within a person. It's not Ekwensu. Ekwensu is something else on its own. IGBO god of war. Nobody prays for war, but sometimes when you are peaceful, people will come at you with it. And ikwe osu isikwa na ikwero mansukwe. That is to tell you that negative energy whatsoever, or that evil that exists within you, cannot do anything without your permission. You're the one that did this stuff. So stop misinterpreting IGBO words. They gave you a devil that looks like you. Give you a God, a Jesus that looks like them. That's a psychological warfare. And you believe that. The devil looks like you, as black as you. But your God looks like them. Any race that worships a God that looks like another race is a defeated race. That's a psychological warfare. So, and that's the reason why you hate yourself and your own people, because you believe that everything black is evil, is devil. When in reality, darkness is older than light. It's in your so-called holy book. Before let there be light, everywhere was darkness. Everything came out of darkness. Everything came out of darkness. And what makes your skin black? The sun in the sky gives you melanin, undiluted sunlight. But they don't have it. They don't have it. The so-called white people, because there's no such thing as white people. The lightest person in the world is an African. The so-called pink people, Europeans, that got you colonized, that gave you your religion, that gave you your God. They are the devil. You don't know your history. When you study your history, if you na say no devil name, or how name. You have to go. So Ekwensu is not devil. Alright? You are the devil, you and myself. But when you understand the duality that exists within you, You will suppress the negative energy in you. You will suppress it. It's good to be balanced anyway. It's good to be balanced. Good and bad. Yeah, it's good to balance it. But if you actually master that duality that exists within you, if you really become a conscious being, you want to do more good. You would want to do more good. God simply means good. God is good. That's why they say God is good. Yeah, God is good. But all the time? No, not all the time. Because sometimes you will be crying and saying, God, where are you? God, where are you when this thing they happen? Because God is not really good all the time. When good wants to happen, you can't really stop good from happening. But when bad also wants to happen, sometimes you can stop it, sometimes you also cannot stop it. You get it? So God is good and devil is evil. They are both inside of you. So you get to choose the one you want to become. You get to choose the one you want to do. If you want to do good, you know how to do it. If you want to do evil, you also know how to do it. But it's easier to do evil. It's easier. That's why the world is messed up. So when we all get to find out that we are all gods and devils, maybe the world will become a better place. Maybe we all want to come. We all want to come to a conclusion that we can make the world a better place by doing good all the time, by doing the right thing all the time. So Ekwensu is not devil. Ekwensu is the Igbo deity, Igbo god of war. Devil exists within you. God also exists within you. Peace and love. Stay tuned, my beloved classicans.